Hello everyone, I hope you are going well. So here we have come to a new video. In this video I'm gonna talk about the Mivi Duopods which I have purchased from Flipkart. You can see right here. It cost me what 1,000 rupees. So let's get started. I am going to unbox it right now. So let's see what we have got inside. We have got the main Mivi pods. Here it is. It have two pots definitely, and then we have this USB cable for charging, and we have got a warranty card of 1 year, and we have got a some wonderful notes, and we have got a user manual. And so guys, this maybe Duopods is great product. I would like to share something good about this. That I like the most is the battery. The battery backup is best. Means it will work about more than 10 hours each of them. And the great thing is the this warranty card. 1 year of warranty is more than enough, and the best part is this control. The sensor which is here is very great. It is so sensible, and it is very interactive, and it has a very good sound. You just put in your ear and enjoy music. Very good sound, and it has a great connectivity. It will connect automatically if your device has already paired. And the best part is that it is made in India. And some problems which I face during using this are that I if I am in calling to someone, I have to shout aloud so that another person can hear me. And and the second thing is that the material, the company which used the material is very light. It will be broken if I drop from 1 to 2 meters. So overall, the product is great. You can purchase from Flipkart.